Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Mohamad Faisol bin Sheikh Fauzi. I am a Mandarin teacher and ICT coordinator at SK Harijuari, Sungai Petani, Kedah, Malaysia. With more than 10 years of teaching experience, I have been always passionate about exploring innovative ways to enhance my learning for my students through technology. Throughout my career, I have been honored to receive several recognitions, including the National Delima Icon Teacher Champion 2026 and the Young Potential Teacher Award. I believe that Google tools can make teaching and learning more creative, effective, and engaging, especially in today's digital world. They empower students to collaborate, communicate, and develop essential future-ready skills. I aspire to become a Google certified trainer so that I can support and inspire more educators to confidently integrate Google tools into their teaching and create meaningful learning experiences for every student. Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn how to add a professional signature in Gmail. Let's go. Firstly, we open the Gmail page. At the top right, we can find the gear icon. Click here. See all settings, click. We scroll down until we find the signature section. Okay, create new. We can put our name, for example, Sheikh Official. Create. At the right box, we can put our full name. Then we can put our position in school. For example, my position is ICT coordinator. Then my school name. I also can bold my name. Then if we want to make it more professional, we can insert an image of our school logo. Just click allow. It's quite big, as you can see, but don't worry, we can resize it to small size. Alright, seems nice. Then we go to signature defaults, click our signature name. We scroll down and lastly, save changes. If you want to check your signature, then you can go to compose and you can see our beautiful professional look of Gmail signature. Okay, that's all from me. See you in the next video. Bye.